Hello, everybody. Hey, this is Gary Socolow, Florida DOT, and this is the session 4 of our webinars on the Florida Transportation Site Impact Handbook. This is on Chapter 3, Local Government Comprehensive Plan Reviews, and I am hoping that you can hear me, and I'm going to make sure of that. If you can hear me and hear me well, yes, raise your hand. That's the way to go. All right, good, excellent. So I'm actually getting there. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So hey, like I said, my name's Gary Socolow. I'm going to be the host today. The reason I'm the host is definitely not an expert on this chapter. This is our 4th webinar in the series on the 2014 Transportation Site Impact Handbook. In this webinar, we will go over Chapter 3 of the Impact Handbook. This chapter is called Local Government Comprehensive Plan Reviews. And the major focus today will be the changes and the nature of DOT's review of local government comprehensive plans as they relate to transportation. And what I would like to do here is to ask Janine to give me keyboard and mouse control so I can go to the next slide. Okay, good. Thank you, Janine. Here with us today, group of people that if you've been with us before, you're well aware of some of us. We are all people that helped rewrite this handbook over the last few years, and we're here to go over the major changes and also answer as many questions as we can as possible. I am Gary Socolow, like I said. Andrew Young, Gina Bognani from the Florida DOT are here, as well as Maria Cahill from our Policy Planning Office and our growth management expert and champion on our floor. We also have Janine Fear, who has been involved with transportation issues and growth management for years, working with the old Department of Community Affairs, which is now known as the Department of Economic Opportunity Community Planning section, now working with CDM Smith to provide her expertise to us in the field of transportation and growth management. We got Nathan Hicks here, who always helps put the presentations together, and will be helping to answer your questions. We do not all have formal speaking parts, but we all have experience with different aspects of impact analysis. For example, Gina is our level of service expert. I have dealt mostly with site impact and access management, so we all bring something different to the table. So as you ask your questions, we are all available to help you with our specific knowledge. The website to go to get to our Site Impact Handbook is fdot-transportation-impact-handbook.com. All you need to do is right mouse click the handbook and download it, and this is what you'll find. It's kind of nice. It has a table of contents that makes it easier to go to places in the handbook directly. The number system in this is such that the cover is page 1, which means that wherever you go in the handbook, if you're familiar with Acrobat, the pages will always match. A warning that at the bottom of each page, we've said that things are changing all the time. What we have tried to do in this handbook is provide multiple live links that should keep you informed of the latest changes. From the last webinar, we discussed transportation modeling and some of the benefits of large-scale regional modeling versus working with the kind of traffic projections that you use the Institute of Transportation Engineers, or ITE, trip generation manual. I'm going to go through these next few slides because you will get this presentation with the live links. And this is how you can go to the Access Management Site Impact YouTube channel and see some of these presentations. This one was on trip generation, and this one was on the basics of what goes into a impact plan, and this is the general overview of all the chapters that was done a few months back.